My ladies, this is En route, and today I have another exciting message for you. Let's talk about future faking and how men will say just about anything to make you let your guard down. It's important for you, as a lady, to listen to what they're saying and even enjoy what they're saying, but not act on what they're saying until they actually take action on what they're saying. Because men are very confident creatures, and they want to make you believe one thing one day, and sometimes they'll even feel things that right one day. But as soon as they look at a girl that's, cuter than you or, easier to manipulate than you, it's very easy for their attention to sway back and forth, especially if they're not serious about anything, right? It is your job as a woman to not put yourself in a position where you're giving so much to a relationship that has given you nothing except words. Understand, ladies, that your mind is what they want to control. The more control they have over your mind, the harder it is for you to succeed and become the best version of yourself. Make sure that the men in your life are actually taking action on what they're saying instead of just giving you lovely little words for your ears. And that's it. That's all I want to say. I want to keep it short and simple. And thank you for watching. This is En route, and I'm out.